I think the department have aided my study just by being enthusiastic and knowledgeable about their fields and being able to pass on that enthusiasm and knowledge onto me. If we have a particular interest in, say, like Victorian literature, for instance, is something that I've really loved throughout my first and second year. We've got like an expert in Victorian literature and I could do her module in third year. If you're particularly interested in writing sci-fi, we've got someone that knows so much about sci-fi, and if you've like tried that out in your first and second year, by the time you get to your third year you can take a whole module on it. Oh, there's so much support available. Our lecturers have what are called office hours or consultation hours, and you can go in there for like academic issues that you might be having, but also if you just need a chat really, and I've done that many a time. Like I've just popped into Louise, who's head of department, who was very busy, and she's been able to like sit down with a cuppa and have a chat with me.